Southern-styled fried calamari, and the only seasoning you're gonna need is that Uncle Dibbz King Creole blend. Watch this.
Hey, listen, why wait until you got to go to a restaurant to order this amazing appetizer? Who doesn't like calamari, fried calamari? Go to the freezer section of your supermarket, get the frozen calamari rings, thaw them out at home, and then for the wet mix, we're going to do 2 eggs, half a cup of buttermilk, and then for that flavor, that Uncle Dibbz King Creole blend. Put that all in your wet mixture, mix it on up. Now we're going to give those calamari rings a nice bath. Make sure they're all coated with that wet mix. Set it to the side. Now we're going to make the dry mix, which is flour, cornstarch, a little bit of fresh parsley, and then some more of that Uncle Dibbz King Creole blend. Get it at UncleDibbz.com, y'all. Mix that on up. And for the frying process, simple. Wet mix to dry mix. And then right in your fryer, 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Make sure you don't overcrowd the pan. Fry until they're golden brown. Once they're nice and crispy to your liking, go ahead and set those calamari rings to the side. And I'm telling you, you're going to love this.
See, I got my dipping sauce. Let's try it out. That's good, shawty.